Okay guys, so today we're talking decimals and I want you to be able to add decimals, add and subtract decimals using a number line. So let's start with an example. Let's say that I have 7 3500ths and I'm adding 4 and 2600ths. So first I'm going to draw my number line. And I like to start with my larger number. My larger number in this case is 7.35, so I'm going to start here. So when you add decimals, you're basically just going to add each individual place value. Those are going to be my jumps. So my first place value here is the ones place. So first I'm going to do a jump of 4 ones. So 7 and 3500ths plus 4 ones is 11 and 3500ths. Next I'm going to go to my tenths. So now I have to jump 2 tenths. So I'm going to make a jump of 2 tenths now. And 11 and 3500ths plus 2 tenths is 11 and 5500ths. And finally, I'm going to jump my hundredths. I'm going to make a jump of 6 hundredths. And 11.55 plus 0.06 is 11 and 61 hundredths, which is my answer. Okay, let's try a subtraction. Let's say that I have 6 and 42 hundredths minus 2 and 55 hundredths. Here's my number line here. Now I'm going to start my number line at 2 and 55 hundredths, and I'm going to end it at 6 and 42 hundredths, because the difference between these two numbers is going to be my answer. So I can do any number of jumps, but the way that I like to do it, I like to jump to first my next tenth, and my next tenth after 2 and 55 hundredths is 2 and 6 tenths. So I just made a jump of 5 hundredths, because 5 hundredths plus 2 and 55 hundredths is 2 and 6 tenths. Next I'm going to jump to the whole number that's after 2 and 6 tenths, which is 3. So I just made a jump of 4 tenths, because 4 tenths plus 2 and 6 tenths is 3. Next I'm going to jump to my whole number that's before 6 and 42 hundredths here, which is 6. And that's a jump of 3 ones. And then my final jump, I can just jump straight to 6 and 42 hundredths, and that's a jump of 42 hundredths. Now to find my answer, I'm just going to add up all my jumps. 0.05, 0.4, 3, and 0.42. When I add those up, I get 3 and 87 hundredths, which is my answer.